Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? As always, you're watching me on YouTube and you're listening to me on Spotify. And as always, we have great drama discussions coming up. Thank you so much for all the comments, Sadaf. We get so many comments, my God. So thank you so much, guys, for the comments. Keep them coming. We really enjoy them. मेरे कैमरे पे कुछ लगा हुआ है तो इसको साफ कर लेते हैं. But and here we go. So Sadaf, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much as always for giving me your time.
Always a pleasure. How are you?
I'm very well, Sadaf. Shall we dig in straight in?
Let's go on. Let's say again about the comments. I love them. Keep them coming. I love the interaction, and dekho, so long as you don't kind of like hate on someone too much with 10 hate comments,
not
right?
like get abusive. Yeah, and not get abusive. Then all the rest is good. Yeah.
So thank you guys for commenting.
Yes. So Sadaf, shall we start with gentleman, because हम लोग start करते हैं gentleman से, ठीक है?
कैसा लगा आपको?
मुझे अच्छा लगा. I wanted to point out a few things which I might get hate for. मतलब start ही मैं ऐसा explosive किस्म का start करती हूँ ना. मैं बात करना चाह रही हूँ gentleman के ऊपर, और gentleman पे मैं कुछ ऐसी बात करना चाह रही हूँ कि मुझे लगता है, and I obviously fans मुझे bias समझेंगे, लेकिन bias नहीं है. To be honest, it's a bit of a sore truth for a lot of fans of the show. और वो ये है कि दो बातें हैं इसके अंदर. Number one, जो हुमायूं है, he's carrying a lot of the heavy scenes on his shoulders, and like I said, a lot of fans might not like this. Secondly, I think one of the quiet stars of Gentleman is Khalid Anam Saab.
Yes.
I don't think he got enough credit. I don't think we talked enough about him. I don't think that a lot of people are noticing what he's quietly able to do in Gentleman. It's a quiet sort of charisma that he has. Like, that Riz is kind of weird. And I want to show you this kid. I mean, I don't know if you can see him. There's a cat in my...
You can't.
Yeah, the cat is in my purse. Anyway, so what I'm saying was that... what are you doing, Eddie? No, Eddie's in my purse. He's literally in my purse.
Eddie is something else. Hello, Eddie.
Yeah, Eddie is literally in my purse. I have to zip my purse up. Anyway, my point is that Khalid Anam Saab is so brilliant at one of those quiet things that he does, where he steals your heart, makes the point, makes the scene so powerful. There's a scene where he's saying that हुमायूं जिसका जवाब में कहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट पे गवर्नमेंट ही तो बनी हुई है. He says that गवर्नमेंट पे गवर्नमेंट नहीं बना सकते. And then हुमायूं is like, मुन्ना is like, well, यही तो चल रहा है. आपको लगता है कि ये जो लोग हैं ये असल गवर्नमेंट हैं, बट हम लोगों जैसे, मतलब हम लोगों जैसे लोगों के ऊपर ही ये लोग, जो कि पूरा शो का प्रेमिस है. I think that premise is established because Khalid Anam Saab is so brilliant, and हुमायूं का जो delivery है, it's not coming off as a lecture, which it very easily could. And I think that is the...
I'm going to say that one of the things about Gentleman that is kind of like unbalancing it is Humayun's presence is so strong
it's overpowering
that it
everything.
kind of overpowers everybody else.
Yes.
And I know it's a male-oriented script, like, you need a female lead in particular who balances your male lead's energy. I'm not sure it's there. It is in some areas. Right, it's not like terrible, but sometimes I don't see that energetic balance.
I think that there are scenes where and I was watching Yumna's previous dramas जो मेरे टिकटॉक पे आपके फीड पे आते हैं, तो उसके कुछ ड्रामा था जो कि मैंने पता नहीं शायद देखा नहीं देखा, आपने तो जरूर देखा, पिंजरा विद हसन न्याजी. एंड यार क्या कमाल उसकी एक्टिंग है, वो इतनी पावरफुल उसका है. और मेरा उससे ये रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर वो और उनके फैंस ये देख रहे हैं, मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो उस जोन में रहें, क्योंकि वो जोन की क्वीन है. वो जो जोन है ना, जो रॉ ब्रूटल किस्म की जो एक्टिंग वो कर सकती हैं, गुस्से वाला, और there's intensity, like intensity is at like another level, मुझे दिल चाहता है कि वो, हाँ, पल्पी ड्रामे सबको करने पड़ते हैं, आई गेट इट, तेरे बिन जैसे ड्रामे और राज़ उल्फत जैसे ड्रामे जिन्होंने किए. जेंटलमैन में मुझे लगता है कि या तो उनके साथ राइटर ने ज्यादती की है, या उनको ब्रीफ खुद समझ में नहीं आया, या आया तो उन्होंने इसको इंटरप्रेट जो किया है वो ऐसे किया है कि आई स्टे इन like underplay it. But it's not coming
Yeah.
off as that powerful Yumna Zedi thing that I expected her.
The intensity, I don't know. I mean, I've missed last 2 episodes, so I'm going to keep
Yeah.
quiet. But
Hmm.
what did you think of the intensity? Right? क्योंकि वो एक match नहीं होता,
हाँ,
but then it is a male oriented script.
it is a
इसमें वो
man's
ladies के
story.
लिए कोई, yeah,
यही
it
तो मैं
is.
कहती हूँ कि I'm still trying to figure it out. Maybe I'll have a better answer for you by the
हाँ.
end of the show. I'll have a better framed argument also. I think by after I've watched all the episodes once it ends. I think it should end in a few weeks, because it's already on episode 22. तो मैंने जो देखी अभी 21, 22 देखी, इसमें वो सीन खालिद अनम साहब का हुमायूं सईद का बहुत पावरफुल सीन है, बहुत अंडररेटेड सीन है. मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह के अगर ड्रामे हम वो सीन्स जैसे बनाएं तो वो बने हमारे, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि वो हमारे पुराने ड्रामे होते थे वो. दूसरी चीज यमुना का मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कहीं कहीं मुझे उनके साथ लगता है कि या राइटर ने ज्यादती की है, या उनका इंटरप्रिटेशन ठीक नहीं था, या कहीं कोई चीज मिस हुई है उनके कैरेक्टर में. जरनाब का किरदार की बात कर रही हूँ.
I'm gonna take a guess, right? And
हाँ.
you tell me if I'm wrong. I think that number one, I think it's age gap, right? Let's be fair, right?
Okay.
Humayun और युमना का age gap काफी है, right?
Okay.
Right? Then, but some people can carry that by force of personality. But
True.
Yumna has had to tone it down because uska role hai na, she's that very kind of like padi likhi
Controlled.
anchor, journalist or controlled or wo.
Maybe.
So she has to she's had to tone
But
it
I
down.
think that
And this is a very
brief
filmy
is not.
script.
I don't think that brief works, is what I'm saying. If
Mm.
that's the brief, I don't think it works. What I do find her really good at is, like, you know, that scene where she ties that thing on his
नहीं,
arm.
वो जो romance है ना, वो तो I think
Oh, beautiful.
she knows how to do that kind of make it romantic, but not kind of like vulgar in any way. है
No,
ना?
वो तो हमारी सारी एक्ट्रेसेस इसमें बड़ी कमाल हैं, लेकिन who are you not naming? But
I'm gonna be quiet.
yeah, you can't name, but I'm just saying कि I think that वो उसमें और इस तरह की चीजों में वो बहुत अच्छी हैं. That softness that she can bring, and I wish that उनको इस तरह के रोल, जैसे ये रहा दिल था अहमद अली अकबर
Yeah.
वाला.
Oh yeah, that I kind of underrated that because I used to watch it, get annoyed, come back, and then watch it
No,
again.
it was so fun. It was so fun. So I think that अगर उनको वो zones मिलें तो वो उसमें बहुत excel कर सकती हैं. यहाँ पे वो कहीं से कोई चीज आगे पीछे हो गई है यहाँ पे. And मेरा take यही है जेंटलमैन पे. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I think that I'm not really because I'm still not sold at the whole रहमती angle. I think that बहुत सारे ऐसे points थे जहाँ पे हुमायूं has saved the show completely from not getting that steam that it probably deserved. वो नहीं हुआ because Humayun has saved it. And I also feel like it's not a feeling, it's a wish कि पिंजरा जैसा रोल, इंटेंस रोल, उल्लू बराए फरोख्त नहीं जैसे रोल यमुना करें. कभी करें यार, पल्पी वाले भी करें, कॉमन वाले, और जो हमारे ड्रामे होते हैं जो कि रेटिंग लेकर आते हैं वो करें, बट ये भी करें. ये मेरा जेंटलमैन पे टेक था.
I'm last thing on Jan, and I'm gonna say this. देखो ना, अभी तो खलील रहमान कमर साहब ने इतनी कंप्लेंट्स की हैं कि मेरे 2-3 आए तो डायलॉग
हाँ,
बदले गए हैं.
ये बात मैं करना चाह रही हूँ वैसे. हाँ, कहें आप बात, इस पे मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ वैसे.
And I'm like, जो इतना कंट्रोल है. I mean, Haitham Hussain, the director, is notoriously picky. वो लेते ही नहीं है, बल्कि हम लोग अपना सर पकड़ के बैठे होते हैं कि इतना टैलेंटेड डायरेक्टर तो प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं
काम कर
लेता.
रहा.
Right. कि मुझे प्रोजेक्ट नहीं पसंद आया. He is notoriously picky about choosing his projects, right? अगर किया तो इस टाइप का जिसमें देखो डायरेक्टर का कुछ चीजें I get angry with when directors go too far, right? जो बिल्कुल स्टोरी बदल देते हैं, right? But at some point, because you have to change the medium from written to visual, you have to cut down on certain things. You have to add certain things, obviously with the writer's permission, and not changing the energy of
and
the show.
And sometimes, Sadaf, the situation on a set is very crazy, and sometimes you can't reach the writer. And I'm, by the way, not defending or advocating a writer's content being changed without their permission, because this is a big pet peeve.
No, I don't like it either.
I don't like it. I don't support it.
Harat Ishtiaq ka kabhi change hua hai, and I have like been mad as hell.
I know,
I'm like,
you're still upset about Jo Bache Hain San Samet Lo. You're still not over that.
No, I'm not. I'm in pain.
So imagine the pain of the writer. So on a principle stance, I completely understand Khalil Rahman Kanwar, especially if you're an established writer, you've given so many hits, so you get that hubris that I know what I'm doing, right? But at the same time, I feel that sometimes writers get very involved, self-involved in their own world. Sometimes they're not seeing something which the writer, which the director is, maybe the producer is, maybe the actor is. So my kind of middle ground on this is कि भाई पूछ लो, ask, have a discussion, because I believe in collaboration.
कुछ लोगों के साथ आप collaborate नहीं कर
ये भी है,
सकते और
ये बिल्कुल,
आपको
I think that is what probably happened. Again, knowing
right.
that.
And normally, I know with the Haitham, he's one of those people that can make a serial in 19 episodes, right? And this one is how many? 22 already.
We're already on 22.
Yeah. How many is it now?
It's 22 now.
22. And I could tell there's a lot of stuff that needed to be like, you know, it should be less episodes, but you know, you can't fight with certain people, right? Chalo, but otherwise it's an entertaining project. My husband loves watching it.
It's one of the top shows we have.
Yeah. I mean, because it's male oriented, my husband waits for it every week. So hum log jama karte hain episodes and then we watch it. And that's the maza of Green. Right?
So अब आप बताएं, what's your next? I think we also need to talk about Zat Patton Ka Ban. So we can talk about that, and then we can.
I'll let you lead on that one.
Okay, and then you can talk about Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. I think with Zat Patton Ka Ban, I really again enjoy Nofil, and it's the same thing I keep saying. Zat Patton Ka Ban के अंदर जो एक अच्छी चीज जो मुझे लगी और जो मुझे कहनी है, वो भी ये kind of similar बात है जो मैंने यमुना की लिखी, क्योंकि सजल और यमुना वो एक्टर्स हैं जो बहुत उनके अंदर वो चीज है कि वो बहुत मुश्किल किरदार कर सकते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल किरदार. जैसे मुझे लगता है मैमूना का जो किरदार है, जो सजल का किरदार है उसमें ज़त पत्तों का बन में, एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट रोल है फॉर अ स्टार ना. सजल इज अ स्टार, तो एक स्टार के लिए खेतों में बैठ के वो काटना, ड्रामा स्टार के लिए, वो भी फिल्में तो है नहीं हमारे यहाँ उस तरह, आर्ट हाउस फिल्में तो कोई इस तरह बना नहीं रहा है, जो बना रहा है वो इतनी अच्छी भी नहीं होती हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो
Sajal is a film star as well. She's done a movie in India and here.
हम वो वाली चीजें नहीं जो हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं ना, जैसे 2-4 फिल्में जो बनी है अभी जरा बजट, लो बजट, जॉन, चिक्कड़, ऐसी फिल्में कुछ बनाने की कोशिश की हैं. मुझे लगता है उसमें भी हमारी स्टोरी टेलिंग कुछ बहुत ऑन पार नहीं है. तो बनाने की कोशिश है, कोशिश अच्छी है, लेकिन वो चीज नहीं है कि आप किसी बड़े स्टार के पास जाएं. जैसे अब ऐसा होता है ना कि अब आप किसी बड़े स्टार के पास जाएं और आप कहें कि यार ये छोटी सी इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म है, आप कर लें, तो वो कहेगा हाँ स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छा है, मैं कर लूंगा, छोटी सी रोल है तो क्या हुआ, मैं कर लूंगा, बिकॉज वी लव द क्राफ्ट. मुझे लगता है हमारे यहाँ वो फिल्में बनी नहीं रही हैं, बट सजल इज दैट पैशनेट अबाउट हर वर्क. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो उसने ज़त पत्तों का बन जैसा ड्रामा बिल्कुल खेतों में डूब के बनाया है, और बहुत मुश्किल काम है. उसमें बहुत सारे सीन्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ वो जमीन पे बैठ के वो काट रही है घास वास. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज सजल के अंदर बहुत ये डेडिकेशन वो दिख रही है. और सजल की जो कमाल है, अब शायद ये बहुत सुपरफिशियल बात है, लेकिन वो इतनी हसीन है कि मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता जब वो टन्स ऑफ मेकअप उसके ऊपर होता है ना ड्रामे में स्पेशली. मुझे लगता है उसको जरूरत नहीं है. शी इज वन ऑफ दोज नेचुरली गॉर्जियस गर्ल्स, एंड आई विश दैट उसको नहीं वो करे, वो ये पूरा जो मेकअप, लैशेस बड़ी बड़ी और थिक आईलाइनर एंड थिक लिपस्टिक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई थिंक
you know that is I understand what you're saying, but if she doesn't, तो चेहरा ही नहीं नजर आता on the screen.
क्यों यार, ये वाली एपिसोड देखे हम. there's a
I mean, look at us. I mean, last week I hadn't done too much, and I looked at myself on our skin. My eyes have disappeared.
No, that's just you being harsh on yourself, and that's just us women just not being happy with however we look. And I remember you had told
Sajal, हमारी सारी actresses हैं, I will say they are beautiful. They really are.
Yes. तो बस ये मेरा कोई खास उस पे है नहीं, मूवमेंट नहीं है उसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ड्रामे के अंदर. वहीं थोड़ा सा
Hmm.
cyclical सा हुआ हुआ है, कोई खास mood
Is it reaching the masses the way that it should? Because that's what I mean. Is the message getting through? Are you getting the message, or is it not aimed at us? That's
I
what I
find it
want
too
to know.
preachy. I find the script too preachy, too too forced, and I don't like it when somebody packages a message in a brick and throws it at my face. So no, I mean, that's my thing. Maybe it is.
Are you getting any message through? I mean, obviously there is birth spacing,
but it's
right? What are the
again,
messages?
Mustafa has the script and the story fails to go beyond that message. Like you always say कि भाई क्यों कर रहे हैं वो इतने सारे बच्चे, because उनको बुढ़ापे का सहारा चाहिए.
वो नहीं
अब
उन्होंने mention किया.
किया
No.
है, बहुत सारी तरीकों से किया है, but it's dragging.
Hmm.
It's dragging, and it's so sad because they've got a stellar cast. You've got Samia Mumtaz, you've got Tipu, Adnan Shah Tipu, you've got Hamza, you've got Sajjal, you've got Ali Tahir. आप फिर भी ड्रैग कर रहे हो
Brilliant
स्टोरी
actors.
को.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो ड्रैग है, वो
Well,
ड्रैग
maybe
हो रहा
they
है.
should stop paying by episode.
I don't know what, I don't know, like I want to say this on this through this platform, is that I don't think we really understand the concept of series now. The way that the world works now, नहीं है लोगों का attention span इतना सदफ. लोग नहीं इतना वेट करते कि अब वो स्लो स्लो चल के जा रहा है, वहां बैठ रहा है, फिर उठ रहा है, फिर खड़ा हो रहा है. कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है. बहुत इस तरह की फिलर चीजें बहुत हैं इस ड्रामे में, जो कि is a negative. It's a demerit for the drama, and it really deserved a faster pace, and it deserved a faster script, maybe.
I think we should, I mean, it did get popular. Mini series ka, particularly those with a message, you can get a message through with impact rather than lambi kahani, right?
मुझे
But this
लगता
is
है इनको जो ब्रीफ मिला ना, मुझे लगता
Yeah.
है इनको जो ब्रीफ मिला ना कि भाई ये कहानी लिखनी है, इसमें ये 4-5 एंगल्स होने चाहिए. चाइल्ड
Right.
लेबर, फैमिली प्लानिंग, women's education, women's mobility, health facilities in rural areas, educational facilities in rural areas. ये इनके 4-5 पॉइंट्स थे जो इनको कहा था कि अब तुम इनकी एक चपाती बना के हमें दो. अब क्या है कि जब चपाती खींच खींच के आपने च्युइंगम बना दिया ना, तो अब उसका टेस्ट ही खत्म हो गया है. अब च्युइंगम और चपाती के बीच में फर्क होना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट्स गोइंग टू बी the bottom line here.
Catchphrase.
च्युइंगम और चपाती के
Catchphrase.
बीच में फर्क करो. हाँ, please. ये that's
Okay,
my
guys,
take.
I'm sorry I keep drinking. I have a bad sore throat,
No.
so, you know.
Thank you for still
Yeah,
persevering.
yeah.
I wish I could show you my cat. He's so beautiful. He's sleeping.
I love him too. I love him. I used to have a tuxedo cat like him, and he's waiting for me in heaven. Inshallah.
Inshallah. This one is a Scottish fold. I want to show him to you. He's
He is
sleeping.
gorgeous.
He's sleeping.
He is gorgeous.
I don't
But
know.
it's blurred. It's
Yeah, one
blurred. It's
second.
a second.
I want to
Okay.
see if I can unblur and show it to you guys. This is Eddie.
Okay, for you on Spotify, he's a beautiful blue-gray cat, and not pure color with copper yellow eyes. Look at that.
Look at that.
And he's biting
And
you
and
now.
he's biting me.
Right?
It's a play bite for him. It's a play. He doesn't know what he's doing.
ये मोहब्बत है.
हाँ, ये मोहब्बत है उसकी. But anyway, guys, so back to my blurred background, because yeah, why not? Anyway, people on Spotify, please follow us on social media and see the adventures of Eddie. Anyway, so Sadaf, what's your take on Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum?
Okay, I love it. And I was kind of like, because I don't know, मुझे ना ये जो वो होता है ना भोली लड़कियों से allergy है.
I know. It's your pet peeve. It's your drama pet peeve.
Oh God, और अभी मैंने करना है. After this, last week we were thinking we're going to look at a little of the mass fiction and the mass commercial dramas that are on air. You said to take one for the team, and believe me, I took it. Right? So I'm just going to say that I do love it. I kind of maybe like I've had this conversation with a few people on Twitter as well. I'm on Twitter at Tom Tomato with an E at the end. And I'm not feeling Sharjina as much, right? And maybe I'm just hard on Hania. I'm beginning to think it's me, right? I'm just hard on, right? Because she is, and I love this thing that Farhat Ishtiyaq is showing you what it is to actually have a life partner. People think it is money. people think it is
Date night every
career,
night.
education, it is trips abroad. Or Adil is slowly beginning to realize there is no replacement for a loving, kind wife, right? They've been on foreign trips. वो जो ideal होता है कि I want to go on foreign trips, I want a big
जो
house.
दुनिया कहती है कि यार ये होना चाहिए लाइफ
Right.
में. हाँ.
Right. I mean, जब हम रिश्ता देखने जाते हैं, तो that's a lot of things that people think about. And what Adil is learning, it's not enough. That is not what makes life happy. He is seeing कि loser जो मुस्तफा है has got a supportive wife. They're not romancing every day. एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिर नहीं रहे.
और उनका
वो
रोमांस भी वही है,
Yeah.
the support and
Yeah.
the kindness, and you're so right. Like
Yeah.
लोग कहते हैं प्यार दोस्ती है, but I think प्यार is also kindness. If you're kind to another person, there's no better way of showing love.
वो मुस्तफा मुसलसल जलील हुआ जा रहा है माँ के हाथ, अदील के हाथ. जो
हाँ.
बंदा आता है उस गरीब की उठ के बेइज्जती करता है, हालांकि
हाँ.
ही इज
वो
एक्चुअली अ
कहते हैं ना
लवली पर्सन.
हम मंदिर का घंटा है, हर कोई बजा के चला जाता है. ये कहते हैं ना मीम में ये.
That's a
हाँ.
wonderful phrase. I love it.
हाँ.
And अच्छा, उसमें ये है कि वो बदतमीजी आगे नहीं करता है. He's the youngest son. हालांकि youngest sons थोड़े से लाडले होते हैं, बिगड़े होते हैं, but his confidence has been.
आई थिंक उसको मिडिल चाइल्ड दिखाते तो बड़ा मजा आता है. मिडिल चिल्ड्रन
Yeah,
ऐसे ही होते हैं.
maybe
हाँ.
he is. Hang on a
हाँ,
minute.
maybe
What
is,
about,
maybe is.
yeah, maybe he is because how old is his sister?
Yeah.
This is why I'm kind of like not sure about it. But youngest child तो बड़ा लाडला होता है. But anyway,
हाँ.
he's kind of a neglected one. And I think it's a lesson for us as parents and as families कि जो आगे ही नकम्मा है उसको और नकम्मा बनाने की जरूरत क्या है उसको जलील कर करके. But it is in our families, this is a cultural thing. So but my biggest point is that Farhad Ishtiyaq is showing us that there's no replacement for a good life partner. And you will also notice that जो हानिया का कैरेक्टर है, मैं उसका नाम भूल जाती हूँ,
शर्जीना.
Shajina, right? One of the biggest things is she's not a doormat. Farhad
Yeah.
Ishtiyaq,
She speaks
despite
up.
popular opinion, she's not a doormat. Or the reason she's doing all of this is because quietly Mustafa is also helping her out. He's not sitting back और खिदमत करा रहा है. He's actually चुप करके अच्छा चलो मैं उठा लेता हूँ, अच्छा चलो बर्गर मंगवा लेते हैं, मैंने देखा तुमने नहीं खाया. छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं, and this is the biggest romance you can get. If someone cares about your feelings, about that you're hungry, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That
Fahad
chicken burger
Mustafa.
scene वो पिछले वीक का था. वो चिकन बर्गर सीन इज टू गुड यार. इतना पसंद. करेले नहीं खाए तो चिकन बर्गर ले आया. और मैंने पता है क्या देखा, मैं इस पे बात भी कर रही थी पहले भी. आई थिंक हमने इस पे लास्ट वीक भी बात की थी कि जब लड़की शादी होके आती है तो वो अपना जो घर बाहर छोड़ के जो वो आती है, तो फूड इतनी एसेंशियल चीज जो एक होती है. बहुत सारी एसेंशियल चीजें चेंज होती हैं. सबसे जो एक एसेंशियल चीज होती है वो फूड होती है. घर में कोई पराठे का पूछता था तो यहाँ कोई पूछता है या नहीं पूछता. सब्जी दाल किसी को कैसी पसंद है, किसी को कैसी पसंद है. और मुझे लगता है इस चीज में ना थोड़ा सा कंपैशनेट होना चाहिए. और नहीं होते अक्सर लोग नहीं होते. अक्सर लोग ये समझते हैं कि जो है वो ठीक है, लड़की का काम है एडजस्ट करना. हाँ बिल्कुल उसका काम होता है, वो करती भी है बेचारी जितना. लेकिन अगर आप थोड़े से कंपैशनेट हो जाएंगे तो उसके दिल में जगह ही बनेगी आपके लिए, मेरा ख्याल से. और आई थिंक a lot of
I
people just
think
forget
the
that.
mother is an example. One of the, I think
Yeah.
Bushra Ansari is आपसे वो इतनी
Wonderful.
उसके दिल में कड़वाहट है, and she's one of those mothers that has married her son.
But Sadaf, do you notice, sorry I'm cutting you off, but do you notice that
Go
how
ahead.
wonderful the writing is in terms of Farhat? She always shows how a person becomes bitter. What happens? कुछ माँ के पेट से पैदा होकर नहीं निकली थी वो. उसने वो पूरी चीज देखी. उसने वो पूरे सीन्स हैं उसके कि आपने मुझे बगैर बताए ये पूरा फैसला कर लिया, आपने बेटे को घर से निकाल दिया. उसकी रिजेंटमेंट कहीं से आ रही है.
Right, you can
So
understand
you're
why
not
she's resentful.
so as a writer, as a woman writer, Farhat does not demonize women that way. The way that certain writers do, where they say the sass is evil, end of story. अरे भाई कैसे, क्या आगे क्या कहानी है, पीछे क्या कहानी है. A lot of writers do explain that, but Farhat does it so well.
Yeah, she shows rather than tells.
And also she shows that these women are human. The way that they talk and the way the situations are created are very simple. Nobody has to go through like ages of trauma to justify their behavior. Sometimes something traumatic happens and you become bitter. It happens. So I think Farhat is it's a master class when it comes to understanding and delivering that kind of,
writing, it really is.
that kind of
It
behavior.
is. But
Yeah.
I want to mention Hamari favorite Rabab. I don't know if she's your favorite, but she's mine.
She's
Right?
actually doing better, to be honest.
Yes, she is. She is.
Yeah.
And this is what I want to
It's a
say.
hit and miss.
Sometimes her English is absolutely like, I mean,
Atrocious.
and
Atrocious.
then she'll pronounce something so well and she'll act so well.
Hmm.
I love this scene that I don't know, you probably didn't see this week's episode.
Hmm.
So she goes to a cafe and she does that thing, जो हमारे feminists में बताते हैं, meet your friends without your spouses, right? All that kind of stuff, right? So she's doing it and she hears her supposedly best friends talking about her and saying horrible but very true stuff, right? She just married him for his looks. Apparently, Rabab, even though I think she's very attractive, right? She's supposed to be thodi si saadi shakal compared to Adil, right? I mean, which let me tell you, that actress is stunning, right? But chalo, according to the story, तो वो थोड़ी सी सादी शक्ल की है. Oh, she makes so much effort to look good because he's so good looking and he's this and he's that. I bet you he will cheat on her. So she gets insecure and she runs over there to the गरीबों का घर, वो अदील का घर. She says, I'm staying here, which she wasn't before. And this fantastic scene. And I love you, Adil. I miss you, Adil. I this, I that, right? And he goes, so you're staying here. And she goes, yes, Adil. मैं तुम्हारे बगैर नहीं रह सकते. And under her breath, yeah, right. I'm going to leave you to here with your ex, right? And it was so brilliantly done because you could see there's no sincerity between them.
No,
Otherwise, she could
obviously,
see
they're both
reassuring.
shallow people. They're both shallow. And there are certain stories where two people are shallow, but they end up making something nice out of their life. Here, it's nothing but shallowness. In and out. All day long. 24/7. It's just
Yeah,
shallowness.
because her demands don't end. She's a very, and this is another thing, like they always say, don't marry someone who has father issues or who has mother issues or whatever. She's very unhealed. Maybe you can speak
And
to this
also,
as a psychologist.
I think that yes, definitely. I think she's quite a case study. I think there's also another, again, going back to how good Farhat is. There's also another great point. Like she talks to, where he says that I need to bring my family. This is from a previous episode, not from this week. Last week, she's like, oh, I need to bring my family. And she's like, okay, I need to be with my family. She's like, okay, bring them here. No, but I need to go there. She's like, why do you need to go there? And again, it speaks to you as a woman, because as a woman, you might also say कि भाई तो तुम इनको इधर ले आओ ना. लेकिन फरहत की स्मार्ट क्या चीज होती है कि वो आपको लेके जाती है ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की एक लेयर पे, जहां पे हम सोपी और पल्पी शोज में हम उस लेयर को मिस कर देते हैं, क्योंकि हमें दिखाना होता है अम्मा जी ने ये कहा तो अब्बा जी ने ये कहा तो लड़की कमीनी और लड़का कमीना और लड़का ऐसा,
और बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक
चल रही होती है. I think that इसमें when kind of Farhat kind of humanizes even the dark characters, or if you can't use the word dark for Rabab, then maybe the negative, again, lack of a better word, character, she makes the audience kind of relate to them for a bit. And when you relate to a character, even for a moment, you buy into the story and you are invested. That is why we are all invested, because the way she creates. And again, this is why I am saying that you can make popular, fun, not so fun, dark, saas, bahu kind of roles, stories, if you have a good writer. It's not that you don't.
Yeah, this is not an original story. This is very traditional.
Again, done like 20,000 times. के भाई से शादी इससे हो रही थी, भाई से हो गई वाली. कितनी कहानियां हो चुकी हैं, कितने किस्से सुन चुके हैं, तो ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है.
Didn't we see a really good show? I think it was like last year or the year before. Hira Mani और वो जो क्या उसके लड़के का नाम है?
जुनैद खान.
But no,
शहजाद.
But first.
मुनीब भट्ट. ये ना थी हमारी किस्मत.
मुनीब भट्ट. ये ना थी हमारी. They get swapped, right? The dulhans get swapped, and that's also a very it's about shallow versus sincerity. Right?
That was a good show, though.
He's a lazy guy too. He's a lazy guy. Muneeb Bhatt did a fantastic job.
No, but that was a good show too, in terms of how pulpy it was. But again, when you have somebody like Farhat writing for your 8 p.m. slot, she just gives it another texture which
level.
makes
Yeah.
it so good to dissect, think about, love, watch it on. Like I've seen that those scenes between Fahad and Hania so many times. So that's again, yeah. So I agree with you. It's a good watch, and I love it
look,
too.
we are saying Imad Irfani, there's
Hi,
something
Bichara.
about him. He needs to shed his skin. वो जो माहिरा ने एक बार कहा था
No,
ना, shed his skin.
I'll tell
I
you
think
what he
Imad
needs.
Irfani needs to shed his skin.
No, I think
right?
it's not just shedding the skin. I think one thing, and I was thinking about this the other day, that why do we say कि हमारे पास वो पाकिस्तानी फ्लेवर नहीं आता जो ड्रामों का पहले आता था? सदफ जबान, हमारे यहाँ जबान की तालीम नहीं मिल रही है. पता है क्या हो रहा है? आपका एक्टर टीवी पे आता है और आपका दिल चाहता है कि आप इसको बोलो कि तू चुप रह. I don't want to listen to anything coming out of your mouth. माहिरा, सबा, महविश, माया, सज्जल, यमुना, हम क्यों इनको देख के कहते हैं कि ये स्टार्स हैं, या क्यों इनका ट्रेजेक्टरी क्यों ऊपर गया? डायलॉग डिलीवरी, जबान की सफाई. जब माहिरा बोलती है मम्मी ये आप क्या कह रही हैं, फॉर वॉट एवर इट्स मीन वर्दी मटेरियल, हर जबान इज साफ. ठीक है. जब सजल के पुराने ड्रामे खोल के देख लें, अभी भी जब वो डायलॉग, जब वो बोल रही थी, एक डायलॉग है उसका, दर्द पत्तों का बन में, जिसमें उसने कहा कि तुम्हारे यहाँ इसको क्या कहते हैं, कहती है नहीं क्लाशनकोफ कहते हैं. ये क्लाशनकोफ कहते हैं, और तेजी से बोलना आसान बात नहीं है. तो ये इमाद इरफानी जैसे एक्टर्स जो हैं, या इवन मैं कहती हूँ अहद, और जो नए लड़के आ रहे हैं अभी भी, जो आगे के आ रहे हैं, उसामा भी, ही इज अ वेरी गुड एक्टर, बट उसामा लहरा के बात करता है, तुम क्यों जा रही हो, तुम क्यों जा रही हो. भाई ठहर के बात करो. तो डिक्शन की जो थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग है ना, अगर वो हो
Which
जाए.
Osama are we talking
उसामा
about?
खान.
Hang on. Osama कौन? अच्छा.
उसामा खान, या. सो मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत पोटेंशियल है उस लड़के में, वो बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, खूबसूरत भी है, अच्छा भी है, लेकिन डायलॉग डिलीवरी इज लैकिंग. तो इस तरह मुझे लगता है तला चहूर के अंदर मुझे ये लगता है लैकिंग नहीं है. हाँ, उसका वो पंजाबी टिल्ट है, लेकिन ये कि वो फिर भी जबान उसकी साफ है. तो ये मुझे लगता है कि
He's so adorable. He's so
he's
cute.
adorable. Yeah, I love him. He's amazing. तो लेकिन उसकी जबान साफ है, तो वो पंजाबीनेस उसकी काइंड ऑफ अडोरेबलनेस फैक्टर में चली जाती है, जैसे जन्नत से आगे में हमने देखा था. लेकिन उसकी जबान साफ है, उसका लहजा साफ है, और उसके अंदर कुछ
कुछ कुछ लोगों की आंखें ऐसी होती हैं, उनको सात खून माफ है, ऐसे भूत की आंखें, right? And you're like, अच्छा कत्ल किया है, उसका अपना कसूर होगा, कोई
अस्तगफुरुल्लाह. ओके. अच्छा, तो सदफ, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन द पल्पी शोज दैट यू आर वाचिंग? पल्पी वाले शोज बताएं, क्या देख रही हैं?
I took one for the team,
You took one
right?
for the
And
team.
I bet you, I bet you, if you're going through Instagram, you must have seen some, little what teasers, best scenes, best shots, right? Kafara.
I haven't seen Kafara at
And
all. Like
we've
मैंने उसके
got
सीन भी देखे, but नूरजहां के देखे हैं मैंने.
Dil-e Nadan, right?
हाँ, थोड़े से.
Noor Jahan is on the edge of pulp and quality, right? And this is what, because when you think about it, here is Noor Jahan ki story is, वो जो एक powerful सास होती है, and then 3 बहुएं and 3 बेटे, that should be pulp fiction, but Zanjabil is actually elevated, and I think Musaddiq Malik as well. You and I have different opinions about him, but I like his style. I watched a telefilm of his, it was like Fida, right? And because it's hard. It's really hard to make romance work, and particularly वो telefilm type की चीज जो ईद के लिए,
और जो
ईद के
जबरदस्ती
दिनों
फनी
में,
बनाई जाती है.
right?
हाँ.
Yeah, and that Shuja Asad, I'm telling you, that guy, मुझे इतना नहीं अच्छा लगता
No, I
था
think
in
he's good.
Khai as much
Yeah.
as I liked him in that telecom. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So anyway, Musaddiq Malik has definitely elevated it, and I think also I think Zanjabil की कुछ अच्छी scripts में है, that she knows what she's talking about, right? But going back to things, like I really wanted to point something out about Kafara, because Rang Mahal, right, was Shazia Shafia Khan. That is the
Shafia
writer.
Khan. Okay.
Shafia Khan.
Okay.
Shafia Khan is the writer of Rang Mahal, and she's also written Kafara, right? And you can see the elements, and there's similar stars in it. Kya uska naam hai? Ali Ansari is the hero once again, right? And I think Rang Mahal really elevated him, and Seher Khan, and a lot of other actors in it. right?
Hmm.
But that's the difference. In Rang Mahal, for all the Pulp Fiction, it showed the girl, there's no one you can rely on except yourself. Go
Hmm.
for it. Learn how to be a chartered accountant. Maybe it's a
Hmm.
fantasy, right? Maybe it's a fantasy, but at least it, and what really hurt me was that the guy who had dropped her accountancy books outside her hostel,
Hmm.
right, for her to pick up, the
Hmm.
guy who had stood up for her when the hero was slut shaming her, he
Hmm.
was dropped as trash because he's a beta male. Beta.
Hmm.
He's not
Hmm.
alpha, he's beta,
अच्छा,
right?
okay, beta
Secondary है
वाला
because
male.
he's alpha,
Okay.
right? And the
Okay.
alpha male who has been slut shaming, zililofying, all the kind of stuff, वो hero बन गया. Tell me how much you love me, right? I'm
Hmm.
sorry, मेरा love जो है ना वो जो मेरी बेइज्जती करता रहे ना बंदा, I
उसके
don't
लिए
want
नहीं है,
मेरा
हाँ.
love last हो
हाँ.
सकता है. I'm sorry, I
But
can't
Sadaf, my
be that
question to you is about these pulpy shows. How toxic are they? Are
yeah.
they toxic on a normal level, acceptable level, or are they increasingly toxic compared
This
to?
one, look, I could accept Rang Mahal to a certain extent. This one, Kafara, has really disturbed me, right?
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
the reason is apparently it's a Cinderella story, right? And for those who are watching it, they'll see ke बड़े अमीर हम बिगड़े दिल नवाब या बिगड़े दिल शहजादे नहीं तख्त छोड़ के
Oh
आ गए हैं,
God.
and he's slumming it with some lower middle class family, and they of course वो total पहले वो बगैरत हैं, गैर आदमी को घर में रखा हुआ है, he has access to every woman in the house, और वो उसके साथ फ्री ऑफ रैंक हो रही है क्योंकि इज अ फोटोग्राफर, राइट? एंड देन एकदम सारे गैरतमंद हो जाते हैं, व्हिच डजंट मेक सेंस, राइट? सो anyway, so she is continuously the heroine बेचारी, she is an orphan, she is continuously being slut shamed by absolutely everyone. तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर ठीक नहीं, तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर ठीक नहीं, that is the premise of the show. तो वो रोती है, and what was so funny, I saw on interviews of hers, and they were kind of like, "Hi, ये तो रोती नहीं है." Well, actually, she does. She's constantly got answer. Why is suffering like that and being dishonored glorified as romance? Tell me, there's another show that is coming up, is Dile Nadan, right? And that has Mikal Zulfikar and Amar
Amar
Khan.
Khan.
Amar Khan plays is very simple. Yeah, Amar Khan, sorry. And she actually, Amar Khan is doing brilliant work there. I do admire her as an actress, right? She's doing fantastic in this role.
But she's a good actress for
Simple
sure.
सी, वरना normally I want to these stupid roles ना, in which बिल्कुल simple सी एक वो लड़की जो डर जाती, you could say तो वो डर जाएगी, right? तो वो she gets married for some by twist of fate, of course she gets married millionaireों के घर, right? And high achieving husband, and अब you can
To
tell from
save
the
the
teasers
family's
कि
izzat.
जलील
हाँ, that's
होती
what I
रहेगी.
saw the teasers. Yeah, I saw the
Yeah.
teasers.
Yeah, what is this? ये क्या है? Why does a
फैंटेसी है,
woman have to go through this,
नहीं
right?
फैंटेसी है. देखें सदफ, एक चीज याद करें ना कि मिडिल क्लास ऑडियंसेस को टारगेट हो रहा है. वो मिडिल क्लास लड़की जो अपनी जिंदगी से तंग है, 50 बसों के धक्के खा रही है, तो वो एंड में रात में ऐसा ही ड्रामा देखना पसंद करेगी ना, जहाँ पे कोई खूबसूरत हसीन अमीर शहजादा उसको इन तमाम मुश्किलात से दूर ले जाएगा थ्रू सम मैकेनेशन ऑफ लाइफ एंड किस्मत, यू नो. सो इट्स अ फैंटेसी देयर सेलिंग.
लेकिन इतनी जिल्लत क्यों पड़ती है? Really
हाँ, तो
frustrated,
वो
right?
भी
That these women,
exploitation of the emotion of the class that they're talking to. ये भी तो है ना.
it works, but I think it's encouraging a bad mindset. That's all I'm going to say. I don't. It's like physical violence.
But
Almost.
okay, it's
Emotional
interesting that
violence can be even worse than physical
it's
violence.
interesting that you said that it's encouraging a negative mindset. Tell me, and this is not related to the drama itself, but your thought process on it. Okay, do you sometimes these fantasies help us cope with reality? So do you think that these are interfering with our version of reality? Or are they just healthy
I really
ways
do,
to
because
just
the idea is, it's telling you, what is a red flag is a green flag. That's
okay,
what it's
that way.
doing. It's
Okay.
telling you कि ये जो आदमी है जो आपको इतना तंग कर रहा है. I mean, in Kafara, the guy has literally actively disgraced her several times in front of everyone.
But
इतनी बार उसकी बेइज्जती
she
हुई
still
है.
likes him.
No, she doesn't like him, but
Hmm.
they are forcing a romance. Okay, oh,
Hmm.
I remember once some little boy, and this was in kindergarten,
Hmm.
pushed my daughter over and she fell backwards. But
Hmm.
in nazuk si choti si baby, Mary, I mean, like 4 years old.
Hmm.
And I said to the teacher, why is that boy pushing my daughter? He's pushed her the second time now because
Hmm.
maybe he likes her. I said, no, he doesn't. That's not healthy.
Hmm.
That's not normal. And this is
Hmm.
something in the West as well. कि
Hmm.
वो he can't show his attraction in any way, तो इसलिए तुम्हें hate कर रहा है और जलील कर रहा है. No,
Yeah, you need to find a better way to showcase your love. Speaking
right?
of which,
Please, yeah,
speaking of
hero
which,
क्या है? Again.
हाँ,
Hmm.
हीरो क्या है? अगेन बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. हमारे पास टाइम थोड़ा रह गया है. हमारे पास एक
Hmm.
ड्रामा है बचा हुआ सदफ, और वो है आपका फेवरेट जफा, जिसपे हमने बात करनी है. आपकी फेवरेट
Trigger
दीबू.
drama हमारा.
हाँ, आपकी दीबू और हम मेरा नुमैर. आप बताएं अब.
Hmm. अच्छा, मेरे लिए दीपू, आपके
हाँ,
लिए
आपके
नुमैर है?
आपके लिए दीपू.
अच्छा,
आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है
बड़ी
दीबू.
चालाकी है.
आपको बड़ी अच्छी लगती है ना दीपू, इसलिए मैंने आपको दे दी. मैंने कहा आप रखे दीपू को.
दीपू है जैसे आप वो नहीं है, शी इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीज ऑफ द स्टेज. मैं
हाँ.
कहूंगी हमारी जो एक ईस्टर्न ब्यूटी नहीं होती,
हाँ,
जो
सैर.
फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, प्योर ईस्टर्न ब्यूटी.
हाँ.
सो आई आई लुक एट हर, मैं मुझे ना, आई लव वाचिंग हर ऑन स्क्रीन.
Yeah,
सो
she's
एंड
gorgeous.
सेम विद माउरा. वो नहीं है दैट टू ऑपोजिट, एक है वो हमारी जो जरा टैन होता है लुक, एंड देन यू हैव
Hmm.
माउरा जो हमारा, बिकॉज दिस इज आवर कल्चरल हेरिटेज,
Yeah,
राइट?
there's so
गोरी
many kinds. हाँ.
राइट.
हाँ.
सो
हाँ. So what's your take on Jaffa?
so I think it was a bit of a filler episode, but tell me this, right? You watched it, right?
Yeah.
तो मुझे आप बताइए कि ये where did this new sanctimonious ये जो शरीफ इंतहा की डिबू है, मेरी शादी हो
हाँ,
चुकी है,
मेरी
right?
शादी हो चुकी है.
Where
आप
did
मेरे
that,
बारे में ऐसे कैसे
yeah,
कह सकते
where
हैं?
did that डिबू come from?
हाँ, आप
Yeah.
मेरे बारे, भाई
Who was that?
आपने शादी
Who's
की
this?
रात को किसी लड़के के लिए गोलियां खा रही थी. Of course he's going to say this, you know.
Right. And this is where Jaffa has lost its modern touch.
Hmm.
In a normal, like a Kashif Nassar drama, or in a drama for say a Korean drama, or
Hmm.
even like something like fairy tale, nobody
Hmm.
would have been lying and trying to make Deepu, Sharafat ki putli ekdam na.
हाँ.
She
हाँ.
would have said
हाँ.
yes,
Hmm.
but
हाँ,
I'm
तो
not sure I want to go to him now.
yeah, I mean, I also found that a bit odd. I found that little
Hmm.
thing where she's like, I don't want to talk to you, and I'm just going. And it made me think of two things. Number one, this, that like, where is this new Dibu beta version 2.0 coming from? And second question
This
was,
is 90s में ये चलता था.
हाँ, or second question was that,
Oh, I made you forget.
sorry?
I made you forget, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
अब
But
फिर
then,
से सुने.
yeah, I think that the second thing I was
Isn't this
thinking,
a 90s mindset? 90s mindset है कि you have to prove, after doing something terrible, you have to prove I'm a very traditional girl, right?
mm,
There's nothing wrong with choosing your own husband.
no,
There's
and
absolutely
the second
nothing
thing which,
religious or wrong.
no, and it really ticked me off about Deepu's behavior is that why, how are you, where do you get off talking down to Numair? You should be, and again,
Right.
at the risk of sounding like her mother, but like
Oh God, उसकी
shudder.
माँ के बारे बात ना करना.
No, she's awful, but तुझे इतना अच्छा बंदा मिला है जो कि ना तुझे शेम कर रहा है, ना तुझे कुछ बुरा कह रहा है. उसकी माँ कह रही है हाँ तेरे लिए बुरा है. And of course it's traumatic to hear this from someone when you've gone through a suicide attempt and people are shaming you and saying all these kind of horrible things which Numair's mother says. But where do you get, what's his fault? He's the one standing up for you, and later you do acknowledge it. She acknowledges it later, saying that he stands up for me. He says that, oh, tum kamre mein khana kha lo, and all of that. So my two problems with Jaffa were this, like, I was like, what, why? And then second thing was this whole fix-it thing that Dr. Zara is doing, and the lovey-dovey bit between that. It's not that it's wrong in the sense कि क्यों दिखाया, मेरा वो issue नहीं है. मेरा issue यही है कि Zara, just watch out. This is going to end badly. yeah, those were my two main takeaways. And you're right, it was a bit of a filler episode, and it was I think next episode के teaser पे बहुत सारे लोगों को लग रहा है कि वो real में हुआ है, कि वो जाके मुइज को पकड़ लेता है नुमैर, बट ऐसा नहीं होगा. It's probably his imagination or the girl's imagination or the boy's imagination, मुइज imagination. ऐसा होने नहीं वाला.
How refreshing it would be if we actually told the truth. ये सब झूठ और ये cultural चीजें ना, throw.
But
I know
okay,
it's
what is the
impossible.
truth? What's
What
your
if we
take?
told the truth,
Which is?
right? Which is, Dr. Zara said, I'm scared. Not I'm going to fix it. मुझे डर
But
लगता है
Sadaf,
इससे.
लोग नहीं admit करते खुद से कि they are scared or they are in a bad
I would.
situation.
Come on,
You
Dr.
would,
Zara,
but
she could say,
many
I'm
won't.
scared. I would like to help him,
But many
but I'm
won't.
scared.
But Sadaf, that is what I'm trying to tell you. I've seen women like this. Lot of them don't want to accept and don't want to come to that point where they say कि ये मुझे नहीं करना है, या मैं भागना चाहती हूँ इस situation से.
No. I agree with you there. Okay, I don't think any woman will say मैं भागना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन the idea कि अच्छा चलो मुझे दो ये काम तो मैं करती हूँ, right? I mean,
but
what if she said
नहीं, but I find that very realistic. I think that women,
अच्छा,
because Sadaf, इसमें हमारा एक defense mechanism होता है ना, as a psychologist, what I see is that there's a defense mechanism at play called rationalization. So there are a bunch of defense mechanisms according to Freud, and I don't want this to turn into a psychology class, but everybody knows, everybody knows that these are the defense mechanisms that that we use as human beings. There's denial. Primary is denial and repression. We throw it back into our minds. We don't want to think about it. We don't want to see it. सामने से ट्रक आ रहा है, नहीं देखना है. एक denial होता है. Repression भूल जाओ, पता ही नहीं क्या हुआ. Then there are less primitive defense mechanisms like rationalization, where intelligent people, educated people, people who understand the world a lot, kind of rationalize their behaviors or their partner's behaviors a lot of times by saying that. So her thought process is it makes a lot of sense to me, because I have seen women do this. Like they've like, okay, this situation is really bad, nothing I can't fix, because मैं ऐसे ठीक कर लूंगी, मैं उसको ऐसे ठीक कर लूंगी. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये काफी अच्छा दिखाया है. I'm not happy with Dibu's plot line, where it's going and how it's going, but I think वो भी in that way सही जा रहा है कि हाँ, ये तो होना ही था ना कहीं बैठ के. इवेंचुअली नुमैर ने उसको कहना था कि भाई तू ठीक है, तुझसे बात तो कर ले, ये तो होना था. लेकिन जिस तरीके से शायद उन्होंने उसको लेके गए वो वियर्ड है.
रीजनेबल है, बट दीपू का मुझे नहीं है. दीपू दे शुड हैव सोन, एंड अगेन आई विश वी कुड टेल द ट्रूथ. दीपू कहती, लुक नुमैर, आई रियली लाइक यू, right? You have really been kind to me. This is why I long for the writing of Stand Up Girl, right? Can you imagine the Zara from Stand Up Girl saying to anyone, मेरी अब शादी हो चुकी है? No, she would say, you know what, I'm very confused. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हो क्या रहा.
Like we
That
saw
would have
with
been
Zara's
honest
character.
writing. I thought that I couldn't live without him, लेकिन वो ऐसा था कि बुखार था जैसे चढ़ा हुआ. Now I'm thinking you're much better. The way my parents did it was wrong, but मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Let me meet him. Let me sort this out, because she's not angry with him anymore, right? And the way they're showing that Numair is jealous is actually reasonable, right? Because Numair, look, you don't marry a person unless you like them. कुछ भी आप कह ले, men are not stupid. They're not like women, right? They have that self think कि भाई he's attracted to Dibu, otherwise he would never have married her. And it's obvious, because I
नहीं,
think
वो डायलॉग है उसका, उसकी बहन का डायलॉग है, वो मानता है कि हाँ मुझे अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन अब जो उसकी जिंदगी में हुआ है वो भी उसके लिए एक डिफिकल्टी है ना, तो उससे कैसे गो थ्रू करें. सो आई गेट दैट. That's all the time we have for now. But I on a parting note for Jaffa, I feel like one thing which we continue, and I see it in the Twitter discourse that's happening around Jaffa. I think that it's really missing on a lot of finer points of what a marriage or what relationships are like when you're in an abusive relationship. Yeah, it's very. I feel like you can look at the tweet and you're like, oh, clearly this person has never been in an actual relationship. They have no idea.
वो आपकी बात सही है ना. बच्चों 10 साल के बाद मिलूंगी after 10 years, right? It's easy. Look, I mean, and you have to allow for that generation gap, don't you? Because the same, 30 years ago, I wouldn't have said the same thing. 20
Yeah,
years
all
ago,
of
I would have
us.
said something slightly
Everyone,
different.
everyone
10
has
years
that.
ago, I would have said something slightly
See,
different.
trauma teaches us, age teaches us, experience teaches us. All of these things we learn as we go. But I really, really hope that through Jaffa, women are able to kind of identify certain things which Zara is doing absolutely wrong. And it's not that she's doing it wrong, so therefore, it's like, oh, I will, I might not make the same mistake. You might still make the same mistake, but because you have seen what Zara has done, maybe you can kind of think of it in a way that if Allah na kare, it happens to any girl, she can at least have one small light bulb flickering in her brain. This is what I hope, and this is what good art does. It kind of gives you something to learn from, to apply in your life so that you're saved. And, like art or insight are sisters. This is the one has to kind of push forward the other. If there's no art, if there's no insight in an artist, then that art is going to be meaningless. Similarly, if the art is not producing insight in the masses, then it's not of any value. So I think Jaffa should, and I hope it does, that at any point in time, Allah na kare, if somebody is in a situation where they're like, "Ye mujh pe bila wajah chikh raha hai, aim hi bol raha hai," it's not your fault. There's something wrong with that person. And one thing which I also want to just leave a note on is that our dramas are good because of things like these. And again, I'm not talking about the pulpy, soapy 9 p.m. stuff. Or the 10
Like
p.m. or the
Kafara,
later,
yeah.
like Kafara or any of those things. Those are, I think, in my opinion, they're kind of like outlets, fantasy outlets. But for the real, deeper shows with meaningful, intellectual meanings, which we try to configure out of, I think these shows are really critical to our growth as a country and as an audience. I think ये बहुत जरूरी है. And I think कि हम लोग हर वक्त hate करते रहते हैं, वो जरा hate से थोड़ा पीछे हटे.
No, I don't hate. I think this
No,
is
I know
the
you
thing,
don't.
right?
I don't know. I
People
know
want
you
this.
don't.
No, people want this reaction where you either hate something, right?
पर
ये
सर
क्या
मैं
लिख
उसके
दिया?
लिए, उन लोगों के
Yeah,
लिए,
you
आपके लिए
either
बात
love
नहीं
it.
कर रही. आप तो
Yeah.
15 साल से पाकिस्तानी ड्रामों के ऊपर बात कर रही हो ना. मैं उनकी बात कर रही हूँ जो कि आउट ऑफ
No, I
कॉन्टेक्स्ट
understand.
चार क्लिप्स निकालते हैं, बोलते हैं हमारे ड्रामों में ये क्यों दिखाया जा रहा है, सिर्फ औरत से नफरत दिखाई
Yeah,
जा
but
रही है भाई.
I have gone past caring about those people. But I'm
Okay.
for I think that I often, because I'm outraged by Deepu, sometimes I forget Dr.
Okay.
Zara. And I want to say this, look, I am not saying, and I admire women that stick by them. You can cure things, you can help people, but this
Not
idea, मैं
always.
ठीक कर लूंगी, is
Not
wrong.
always.
What you should have said,
हाँ.
I can help him. I can help him. I don't know how to handle it, but maybe I
I
can help
think
him.
the journey is
Right?
your own. You can have support, but the journey is your own. That's
Which, by the way, Rad managed to do. We're saying it's not. Did you see the finale of Rad?
No.
Right?
I
Because
didn't catch
that's
on that drama.
exactly what
Yeah.
happened. He was having hallucinations about saving his sister. He had built up a persona where he went to a girls' hostel, the Shahriyar Manawar ka character, and he used to say, I have saved my sister Anaya. He had no idea that she was also dead. Right? So, and paranoid delusions are almost impossible to get rid of. Right? And so they show that he goes into therapy. Right? He takes his time. When he leaves therapy, he finds that, I mean, then they show the time lapse. कि भाई उसकी बीवी pregnant होती है. She doesn't even burden him with that. She just waits 2-3 years for him to work out what's wrong with him. And he goes through, because he has been through horrific tortures and traumas. So, I mean, kudos to Sanam Zaryab Mehdi for figuring
You
that
really
out.
like
And
that, yeah.
it's not like she doesn't say, I'm dumping my husband because, I'm a feminist and I'm not a rehab center for men and I'm not this and I'm not that. No, she supports him, and that's what love is about.
एक्चुअली वही बात है
My
ना सदफ
husband
के, देखें ये जो
yeah,
कुछ जर्नीज ऐसी होती हैं जिसमें आप किसी के सपोर्ट बन जाएं तो वो वाकई वो बंदा बहुत अच्छा कर सकता है,
right,
लेकिन जो पूरी हम लीन कर जाते हैं ना और हम जो फिक्सेड बना देते हैं सिचुएशन को,
right.
वो
No,
गलत
it's
है।
responsibility is not totally yours. That's what I'm saying.
या
You support karna and fix karna is two separate things, and I think that's the thing my
and
husband was telling me
also if
about.
if
Right.
somebody is ready to walk out of that point, where this is not my mess, I can't deal with that, that's also okay.
I don't know, if you love someone, you will say, and you will try, but it's not your responsibility
Yeah,
to
it's not your
fix it. It's
responsibility. Sometimes
support
because
karna.
सदफ क्या होता है,
Support
कभी कभी
karna is
हमारा
separate
अपना
issue.
अपना बैगेज भी तो होता है ना, हमारी अपनी तो भी तो
Hmm.
ट्रॉमास होते हैं, तो कभी कभी आपका अपना ट्रॉमा आपको इजाजत नहीं देता कि आप एक और
Hmm.
बैगेज अपने ऊपर लाद लें। कुछ लोग कर सकते हैं, गुड फॉर देम, कुछ लोग नहीं कर सकते, कभी मजबूरी
Hmm.
होती है तो ग्रेसफुली करें, लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि एक तो फिर हम मार्टर बन जाते हैं, जो कि मुझे लगता है और ज्यादा डेंजरस होता है, बट
Yeah,
चलें,
some
दैट्स
women
अ
do.
या
Men do.
दैट्स अ डिफरेंट डिबेट। एनीवे सदफ, थैंक यू सो मच आपके वक्त का,
Mhm.
आपने आपकी इंसाइट का, आपके कॉन्वर्जेशन का, एज ऑलवेज गाइस। सदफ also wants
I
to,
love talking to you.
yes,
Mhm.
same. So Sadaf also hosts spaces, guys, on Pakistani dramas. Do join her. I will
Mhm.
try to, I always keep, like, I have to remind myself to do it. किसकी पूरी list of Sadaf के handles हैं, तो Tom Tomato इनका Twitter और Insta पे she's at Sadaf Heather. So you can follow her on Instagram. I will try to put her links in the Spotify description and YouTube description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow the podcast on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. And keep following Sadaf's recommendations on dramas on her social media. Sadaf, any parting words that you'd like to say?
Oh, what can I say? Dibu, you're driving me crazy.
Chalo bhai. Dibu,
I love you, but Dibu, you're driving me
yeah,
crazy.
we love you, Seher
But
Khan,
she's so
but
real.
Dibu,
She's
oh
so
my
real.
God, Dibu, you're a piece of work. I hope I wanted to see that what was her bringing up like कि वो ऐसी हुई. Do
Well,
want to see that.
this is something I missed. We forgot. Last parting shot. You want a parting shot? I now understand why Dibu is the way she is, because there is a whole scene where Dibu's mother करती है उसकी bullies literally
Yeah.
Dr. Zara को, and she says, हाय मैं नहीं वहां जा सकती, तुम जाओ. Zara says no. नहीं बेटा तुम जाओ. Zara says no. नहीं बेटा तुम जाओ. Zara
Yeah.
says no. Right?
Yeah.
3 or 4 times literally उसे bully करती है. बाद में when things go south, तो कहती है I wish कि ये दिल करता है जहर लगती है मुझे, या something like that about Zara. And saying
Yeah,
तेरा
sure.
या तेरी बेटी का तो कोई कसूर ही नहीं है, सारा कसूर तो Zara का है.
Yeah.
And then you understand why Dibu is like that.
Yeah,
Right?
no,
Because that's
absolutely.
her mother.
The mother is one more the child arrested development wala scene hai uska. But yeah, we're looking forward to these dramas, guys. Stay tuned and keep sending us your comments about what you want to watch, what you want to share with us. Comments लाते रहे अपने बहुत सारे. We love them all. Keep them coming, and like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow Sadaf on her social media. Sadaf, I will see you next week. Next week I will be back in Dubai, inshallah. I'm traveling back, so next week my laptop will be stable, and I will miss my family and my cat, my beautiful Eddie. So which you guys met.
Very relaxed there. So you're enjoying Karachi, right? You seem very relaxed.
I'm surrounded by family.
Enjoy.
It's always wonderful. But yeah, we'll miss the family and the cat. Guys, see you guys soon again next week, inshallah. Stay tuned and apna bahut khayal rakhiyega. Khuda Hafiz.